Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Ford Transit, then I'll take you for a ride in it. But first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a Transit Custom 2 litre 300 EcoBlue Limited L2H1. It's got the EU6 engine as well. 2018 on an 18 plate. Long wheelbase. Has done 18,382 miles. The documented service history on the 14th of the 5th 2019 at 7,762 miles. It was serviced at YO18UHY at Chelmsford, and on the 9th of the 10th 2020 at 15,754 miles it was serviced at YO18UHY Chelmsford again. Lovely spec vehicle. It has front parking sensors, multi-spoke alloy wheels, power folding door mirrors, side loading door, barn doors at the back. They open to 180 degrees to make it easier to load and reverse up to a loading bay or get a forklift truck up to the back of the vehicle. It's got a heavy duty load liner and side protective mouldings in the body colour. Lovely colour, great spec. Okay, so I'll just take you for a ride in it. Those are the Ford keys. I will tell you it's also got the extra security locks. It's had the driver's door lock taken out and a blanking plate put over it, a proper blanking plate. They just trying to think of a polite word. Van thieves. We'll go with van thieves. Obviously, Transit's most popular van, and it's quite a sought after vehicle. So, if you don't buy this one and you do get one, make sure you get the security locks. It's quite ridiculous, really. They all go on about these locks and the keys and so on, but if you pull the lock out, it's just a flipping piece of wire, and you just open the door. So that's the main thing to do. Right, well, I'll take you for a ride in it. I'll just show you the system here, the audio system. It's there you go, you've got your sources. It's Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming. If I click on audio there and on sources, that's my phone there, so I can play anything, any music from my phone the moment it's playing an audio book. But the best way, and again, fair play to Ford, they've offered this system with a screen, the Apple CarPlay interface. So you plug into your phone, you've got to download Apple CarPlay to your phone, and as you can see there, that's gone straight onto CarPlay, it's gone straight onto my iTunes. But the most important thing is, rather than having to pay a fortune, or in some cases, I think Audi, you've probably got to pay another 450 quid for the little box to plug in to the MMI system. Mercedes, 250 quid. With this, once it's plugged into Apple CarPlay, then you click on that and it just uses your phone's sat-nav, and you can operate your phone's sat-nav with Siri, and it's got all the rest of virtually everything you've got on your phone. Is say phone, your messages, you can send messages. It's even got WhatsApp, Amazon Music. Well, these are things I've downloaded and I use. Spotify, Amazon Music, Audible, audio books. So that's a really good system. As I say, we'll just put it back on there so you can see where I'm going. Knock that off. I don't want to do that. We'll just, there we go. We'll just use it as a screen for the moment and go for a ride. So I really like these vans. This would make an ideal camper van conversion, I would say. It's a good colour. It's kind of, I was going to say like the Audi denim blue metallic, but it's perhaps a little bit darker than that. Of course, if I'd have had any sense, I would have found out the name before we came out. Nice big wipers, a quick clear front screen or heated front screen. It's just a good specification. There you go, you've got power folding door mirrors. Just put them back. And they drive so good. They really, really do. There's nothing behind me, so I'm not signalling to anybody. When the transit van first came out, even back then, they were so good that in my day, my early days, the Sweeney and so on, the getaway car of choice was a Jaguar 3.4 or something like that. And then the thieves stopped using them and they started using transit vans because they could get more swag in them, and they drove so good and handled so well. Thanks for indicating. Thank you very much. Because and you, I just want to sit here all day. As I say, the handling of them is just tremendous. The guy's got a baseball cap on, he pulls out, doesn't indicate, turns off, but the cap excuses him. I'm in a shocking mood today. We've sold my Range Rover. And this is just the weather you want one. So dead comfy. We've got here, there we go, just ratchet it up, get myself comfortable. It's warm today. Get the aircon on. So front central armrest. This the driver's seat moves backwards and forwards, up and down as well. In fact, I could just do with going down a bit. There we go. So that's knocking it down. Can I rake it back a little bit? I bet I've just adjusted that camera as well because it's fastened to the back of the seat. Lots of cup holders. Tesla behind us, boo that one when it goes past. It's absolutely boiling in here. That's all my camera gear there, by the way, so it may look a little bit messy, but in all honesty, the back in here is a bit dusty and I didn't want to put my bag and my coats in there, so I've packed them into the front cabin. I always drive these too fast, but they're so good. Full bulkhead here, so none of the problems like you used to have with old vans where you got all the noise coming from whatever you were carrying, all the smells too, which was sometimes the worst thing. And also if you had to pull up quickly, anything was in the back ended up on you. good place to break down. I bet he's not broken down. I bet he's, on Facebook or something. Here we go. So we've also got cruise control here. Switch on like so. Click down. We're just doing 60 at the moment, but I can increase the speed here with this button by just pressing up. There we go. We'll click it up to 70. There we go, 70 miles an hour. And now we're stuck behind there. And we'll try the sat nav again. It is quite easy. It never recognises my voice. I don't know why. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Preston.
Which Preston? Preston Lock, Lock Preston, Cartram Preston. All music matters.
Siri, are you stupid?
I'm just trying to do my job. If there's anything else I can help you with, just let me know.
So we're just doing short of 70 there in 6th gear. About 1750 revs. 70 will be about 18. Pretty quiet. As I say, would make an ideal camper van. Just if you look at the windscreen, Lance has washed this with some stuff that's meant to keep your vehicle cleaner, and it's working so well. It's throwing it down. I haven't even got the wipers on, and the water is just coming off, and it's the same as all the car too. It's I must find out what it is, but it's a brilliant job. Great seating position too, pretty economical, nicely finished. Got this kind of piano black on the doors and the dash. I don't really like these iPad displays myself. If you'd overtaken as many vans as I have with 3 people in, and one of them's got their feet up on the dashboard in the middle there, it's only done 18,000 miles, so I can't see there being anything wrong with the suspension, but I always like to check it just here anyway. No, it's fine. So it's a really nice van. Only just come in. Great colour combination. The cab's nice and tidy, which is most important if you're looking to convert it to a camper van. Vans have been, well, we've had the busiest week ever. Stock is fairly hard to find. but John's doing his best, so I don't expect this will be here very long. When we stop, I'll show you how to pair a mobile, how to delete a mobile, how to stream audio, and how to use the Apple CarPlay. And in the meantime, next video again, hopefully, we've just had the wheels done on it, we just got it back, an Audi QS5, got a little Toyota Verso, gosh, what else? And hopefully a couple of Range Rovers come in. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.